Question 1. Consider the following statements. A fiat money is a term used for gold coins. B. Currency deposit ratio is the proportion of the total deposits commercial banks keep as reserves. Which of the above statements are correct? Options: 1 or only, 2 B only, 3 both A and B, 4 neither A nor B, 5 none of these. Answer: 4 neither A nor B. Question 2. As we know, the government is paying much attention to microfinance these days. Which of the following is one of the examples of microfinance? Options: 1 insurance for life, 2 investment in mutual funds, 3 self-help groups, 4 letter of credit, 5 all of these. Answer: 3 self-help groups. Question 3. Which of the following organizations, agencies frame the monetary and credit policy which is followed by all banks in India? Options: 1 Indian Banks Association, 2 Reserve Bank of India, 3 Securities and Exchange Board of India, 4 Government of India, 5 none of these. Answer: 2 Reserve Bank of India. Question 4. When the RBI wants to inject liquidity into economy, it may adopt the following. A. Buy the government securities from the banks. B. Enter into reverse repo operations. C. Raise cash reserve ratio. D. Reduce SLR. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Options: 1 or only, 2 B and D only, 3 A, B and D only, 4 A, B, C and D, 5 none of these. Answer: 2 B and D only. Question 5. The Bank Case Information System (BCIS) is being developed by which of the following bodies, in the wake of increasing cases of bank frauds? Options: 1 Reserve Bank of India, 2 Indian Banks Association, 3 Ministry of Finance, 4 Central Statistical Organization, 5 Central Bureau of Investigation. Answer: 5 Central Bureau of Investigation. Question 6. Which of the following terms is not a financial term? Options: 1 Investment, 2 El Niño effect, 3 Core banking solution, 4 RTGS, 5 all are financial terms. Answer: 2 El Niño effect. Question 7. Which of the following is not a public sector bank? Options: 1 Corporation Bank, 2 United Bank of India, 3 Vijaya Bank, 4 Bank of Maharashtra, 5 Axis Bank. Answer: 5 Axis Bank. Question 8. Core Banking Solution (CBS) provides a multiple delivery channels to the customers. B. Better MIS and reporting to external agencies such as government, RBI, etc. C. Better asset liability management and risk management by banks. Select the answer from the codes given below. Codes. Options: 1 R and B, 2 B and C, 3 R and C, 4 all of the above, 5 none of these. Answer: 4 all of the above. Question 9. A worldwide financial messaging network which exchanges messages between banks and financial institutions is known as. Options: 1 CHAPS, 2 SWIFT, 3 NEFT, 4 SFMS, 5 CHIPS. Answer 2. Swift. Question 10. Which of the following refers to the term smart money? Options 1. Foreign currency. 2. Internet banking. 3. US dollars. 4. Traveler's checks. 5. Credit cards. Answer 5. Credit cards. Question 11. Which one of the following is a retail banking product? Options 1. Home loans. 2. Working capital finance. 3. Corporate term loans. 4. Infrastructure financing. 5. Export credit. Answer 2. Working capital finance. Question 12. Which of the following books has been written by Bill Gates? Options 1. Microsoft Secrets. 2. The Road Ahead. 3. The Elephant Paradigm. 4. How Nations Compete. 5. None of these. Answer 2. The Road Ahead. Question 13. The expansion for the BIS in the context of the banking industry is. Options 1. Bank for International Settlements. 2. Bank for Industrial Settlements. 3. Bank for Industrial Sectors. 4. Bank for International Services. 5. None of these. Answer 1. Bank for International Settlements. Question 14. In 1955, Imperial Bank of India, a leading commercial bank of that time, was nationalized and renamed as. Options 1. Central Bank of India. 2. Bank of India. 3. Indian Bank. 4. State Bank of India. 5. None of these. Answer 4. State Bank of India. Question 15. What is the full form of FINO, a term we see frequently in financial newspapers? Options 1. Financial Investment Network and Operations. 2. Farmers Investment in National Organization. 3. Farmers Inclusion News and Operations. 4. Financial Inclusion Network and Operations. 5. None of these. Answer 4. Financial Inclusion Network and Operations. Question 16. How many banks were first nationalized? Options 1. 10. 2. 12. 3. 14. 4. 16. 5. 18. Answer 3. 14. Question 17. Which of the following rates are not decided by RBI? Options 1. Bank rate. 2. Repo rate. 3. Prime lending rate. 4. Cash reserve ratio. 5. None of these. Answer 3. Prime lending rate. Question 18. Which of the following is not a tax duty levied by the Government of India? Options 1. Service tax. 2. Education cess. 3. Customs duty. 4. Toll tax. 5. None of these. Answer 4. Toll tax. Question 19. Who is the first woman to win Nobel Prize? Options. 1. Marie Curie. 2. Pearl Buck. 3. Bertha von Suttner. 4. Mother Teresa. 5. None of these. Answer. 1. Marie Curie. Question 20. Jnanpith Award is given for excellence in the field of. Options. 1. Music. 2. Social service. 3. Literature. 4. Classical dance. 5. None of these. Answer. 3. Literature. Question 21. Who is the author of book Darbar? Options. 1. Amitav Ghosh. 2. Tivleen Singh. 3. Amit Chowdhury. 4. Arundhati Roy. 5. None of these. Answer. 2. Tivleen Singh. Question 22. RBI was established in 1935 pursuant to the recommendations of. Options. 1. The Hilton Young Commission. 2. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. 3. Gorawala Committee. 4. Talwar Committee. 5. None of these. Answer. 1. The Hilton Young Commission. Question 23. Which of the following does not come in the purview of retail banking? Options. 1. Advances to traders. 2. Advances of small scale units. 3. Financing of weaker sections of the society. 4. Loan syndicate. 5. None of these. Answer. 4. Loan syndicate. Question 24. Insurance business can be divided into. Options. 1. Life insurance. 2. General insurance. 3. Fire insurance. 4. Both 1 and 2. 5. None of these. Answer. 4. Both 1 and 2. Question 25. Indian financial system comprises of. Options. 1. Scheduled commercial banks. 2. Non-banking financial institutions. 3. Urban cooperative banks. 4. All of the above. 5. None of these. Answer. 4. All of the above. Question 26. Non-banking financial institutions comprise of. Options. 1. Development finance institutions DFIs. 2. Insurance companies. 3. Non-banking financial companies NBFCs primary dealers PDs. 4. All of the above. 5. None of these. Answer. 4. All of the above. Question 27. Which of the following is a term lending institution? Options. 1. Exim Bank. 2. IDBI Bank Ltd. 3. ICICI Bank Ltd. 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Answer. 1. Exim Bank. Question 28. Which of the following is an investment institution? Options: 1. Life Insurance Corporation of India. 2. IDBI Bank Ltd. 3. ICICI Bank Ltd. 4. State Bank of India. 5. None of these. Answer: 1. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Question 29. The commercial banking system in India consists of. Options: 1. Nationalized banks and private sector banks. 2. Scheduled and non-scheduled banks. 3. Regional rural banks, cooperative banks and land development banks. 4. All of the above. 5. None of these. Answer: 2. Scheduled and non-scheduled banks. Question 30. Which of the following is known as the central bank of the country? Options: 1. Central Bank of India. 2. Reserve Bank of India. 3. IDBI. 4. IBRD. 5. SBI. Answer: 2. Reserve Bank of India. Question 31. Accounts are allowed to be operated by checks in respect of. Options: 1. Both saving and fixed accounts. 2. Saving and current accounts. 3. Current and fixed accounts. 4. All type of accounts available. 5. None of these. Answer: 2. Saving and current accounts. Question 32. What does the letter M denote in the name MFI as used in financial sector? Options: 1. Mega. 2. Micro. 3. Multiple. 4. Monetary. 5. None of these. Answer: 2. Micro. Question 33. The break-even point is where? Options: 1. Average revenue equals average cost. 2. Marginal revenue equals marginal cost. 3. Total revenue equals total cost. 4. Marginal revenue equals total cost. 5. None of these. Answer: 3. Total revenue equals total cost. Question 34. A short-term government security paper is called. Options: 1. Treasury bill. 2. Share. 3. Debenture. 4. Mutual fund. 5. None of these. Answer: 1. Treasury bill. Question 35. The Industrial Finance Corporation of India was set up in. Options: 1. March 1948. 2. April 1948. 3. July 1948. 4. October 1948. 5. None of the above. Answer: 3. July 1948. Question 36. The Industrial Finance Corporation of India provides loans to. Options: 1. Industries in public sector only. 2. Industries set up for export promotion. 3. Joint stock companies in the public or private or joint sector or cooperative sector. 4. All of the above. 5. None of these. Answer: 3. Joint stock companies in the public or private or joint sector or cooperative sector. Question 37. Bhartiya Mahila Bank (BMB) has been merged with. Options. 1. Vijaya Bank. 2. State Bank of India. 3. Indian Bank. 4. United Bank of India. 5. None of these. Answer. 2. State Bank of India. Question 38. Consider the following types of loans. A. Home loans. B. Personal loans. C. Reverse mortgage loans. D. Crop loans. Teaser rates are associated with which of the above mentioned types of loans? Options. 1. Only A. 2. Only B. 3. Only C. 4. Only A and B. 5. Only C and D. Answer. 1. Only A. Question 39. Foreign exchange reserves of India are kept in the custody of which of the following? Options. 1. State Bank of India. 2. Reserve Bank of India. 3. Government Treasury. 4. International Monetary Fund. 5. Indian Bank Association. Answer. 2. Reserve Bank of India. Question 40. The paid-up share capital of Regional Rural Bank is contributed by. Options. 1. Nationalized Bank. 2. NABARD. 3. Central Government. 4. Central Government, State Government and the sponsoring commercial bank in the ratio of 50 hours 15 minutes and 35 seconds respectively. 5. Reserve Bank of India. Answer. 4. Central Government, State Government and the sponsoring commercial bank in the ratio of 50 hours 15 minutes and 35 seconds respectively.